and hair are human aspects, so from ancient times until now hair problems have always been our top concern, especially for women. However, today as society is increasingly developing, hair and scalp diseases are also increasing. So what are some common hair problems and how to fix them? Let's find out below. Dandruff. When you have dandruff, you will have the following symptoms: itchy scalp, white flakes appear, etc. These white flakes will gradually accumulate on your hair and shoulders and become worse in the fall or winter, when the air is cold and dry. Dandruff can occur at any age and in both sexes, however, men are more susceptible to dandruff than women. Remedies for dandruff. There are several shampoo brands that are known to be effective in treating dandruff. Two popular options are Head and Shoulders. This brand offers a range of anti-dandruff shampoos that target different scalp conditions. They contain active ingredients like parathione zinc, which helps to control dandruff and provide relief from itching and flaking. Hair appears dry. Dry hair is a condition that many people are experiencing today. Dry hair means your scalp doesn't produce enough oil to care for your hair, or your hair isn't able to retain enough moisture. If hair is dry for a long time, the outer layer of the hair is broken, thereby making the hair lifeless, dull, frayed, split ends and even prone to breakage. To treat dry hair, you can follow these steps. Use a moisturizing shampoo. Look for shampoos that are specifically formulated for dry or damaged hair. Some popular options include Pantene Pro-V Daily Moisture Renewal Shampoo, Herbal Essences Hello Hydration Moisturizing Shampoo, Shea Moisture Raw Shea Butter Moisture Retention Shampoo. Apply a hydrating conditioner. Choose a conditioner that provides deep hydration and nourishment to your hair. Some recommended products are Aussie 3-Minute Miracle Moist Deep Conditioner, Garnier Fructis Triple Nutrition Conditioner. Hair shows signs of split ends. Split ends are a sign that occurs when the ends of your hair are too dry, brittle, and frayed. The cause of young ends may be due to hair being exposed to harsh weather conditions or hair shaping techniques such as drying, straightening. Treating split ends requires a combination of preventive measures and regular trimming. Here's what you can do to treat split ends. Trim regularly. The only way to completely eliminate split ends is to trim them off. Schedule regular haircuts every 6 to 8 weeks to remove the damaged ends and promote healthier hair growth. Use a gentle shampoo. Look for shampoos that are gentle and free of harsh chemicals that can further damage your hair. Some shampoos that are known for their nourishing properties are L'Oréal Paris Everstrong Sulfate-Free Fortify System Shampoo, Briogeo Don't Despair, Repair, Super Moisture Shampoo, Redken Extreme Length Shampoo. Opt for a moisturizing conditioner. Choose a conditioner that provides deep hydration to help repair split ends. Some recommended options are Tresemme Moisture Rich Conditioner. Use a lightweight, oil-free conditioner. Apply conditioner only to the ends of your hair, avoiding the scalp area. Look for lightweight, oil-free conditioners that won't weigh down your hair or add extra oil. Some options include OGX Weightless Hydration Coconut Water Conditioner, Tresemme Lightweight Moisture Conditioner, Aveda Rosemary Mint Conditioner. Rinse thoroughly. Make sure to rinse your hair thoroughly after shampooing and conditioning to remove all product residue. Any leftover residue can contribute to greasiness. Avoid heavy hair products. Minimize the use of heavy styling products like serums, oils, and pomades, as they can add extra oil to your hair. If you do use any styling products, choose lightweight formulas and apply sparingly. Don't touch your hair excessively. Touching your hair throughout the day can transfer oil from your hands to your hair, making it greasier. Try to avoid touching or running your fingers through your hair unnecessarily. Use dry shampoo. Dry shampoo can be a lifesaver for absorbing excess oil and extending the time between washes. Apply it to your roots, focusing on the greasiest areas, and gently massage it in. Some popular dry shampoos are Batiste Dry Shampoo, Living Proof Perfect Hair Day Dry Shampoo, Chlorine Dry Shampoo with Oat Milk, Avoid hot water. Wash your hair with lukewarm or cool water instead of hot water. Hot water can stimulate oil production and make your scalp oilier. Adjust your diet and lifestyle. A healthy diet and lifestyle can also contribute to the condition of your hair. Eat a balanced diet, exercise regularly, manage stress levels, and get enough sleep to promote overall hair health. Remember, everyone's hair is different, so it may take some experimentation to find the right routine and products that work best for you in managing greasy hair. Hair tends to be dull. There are many causes of hair looking dull, such as hair damaged by chemicals, heat, polluted environment, dust, or from improper hair washing habits. Remedy: after combining shampoo with moisturizer, you should rinse them with cold water. Because cold water has the effect of shrinking the hair shaft, thereby helping the hair become smoother and more shiny. Accordingly, you should only wash your hair with a moderate amount of shampoo and wash your hair thoroughly. Curly hair. Frizzy hair is a sign that hair moisture is reduced to below normal levels. There are also some cases where hair is normal and healthy, but due to genetic factors, it becomes curly. To treat curly hair, follow these tips.
Use a gentle shampoo. Look for a sulfate-free shampoo specifically formulated for curly hair. Sulfates can strip the natural oils from your hair, leading to dryness and frizz. Opt for products that are moisturizing and nourishing. Condition regularly. Curly hair tends to be dry, so conditioning is crucial. Use a hydrating conditioner after shampooing to restore moisture and soften your curls. Look for a conditioner that is rich in ingredients like shea butter, argan oil, or coconut oil. Deep conditioning treatments. Once a week or every 2 weeks, use a deep conditioning treatment to provide extra hydration and nourishment to your curly hair. You can either buy a deep conditioner or make your own by mixing a hair mask with natural oils like olive oil or avocado oil. Avoid heat styling. Heat styling tools like flat irons or curling irons can damage curly hair and make it more prone to frizz. Embrace your natural curls and limit the use of heat styling tools. If you must use them, always apply a heat protectant spray beforehand. Use a wide-toothed comb or your fingers. Curly hair is prone to tangles, so avoid using a brush that can cause breakage and disrupt the curl pattern. Instead, use a wide-toothed comb or your fingers to detangle your hair when it's wet and coated with conditioner. Hair damaged by heat. Curling and styling your hair will make your hair more voluminous and attractive, but to keep it in place, you need to use very high temperatures. This leads to the hair cuticle gradually becoming dry and damaged. Signs that your hair is being damaged by heat include dry hair, split ends, frizz, hair that becomes difficult to style and comb, hair that becomes tangled, knotted, or broken easily, etc. Remedy: the first thing you should do is immediately stop using high-temperature curling, straightening, and styling machines. Or before using, spray a surface protection agent on your hair to help your hair avoid damage. Hair damaged by chemicals.